The assassination of presidents in the United States is a tragic and historically significant topic. Here are some details about each of the assassinations. Abraham Lincoln, 1865 assassin John Wilkes Booth, an actor and Confederate sympathizer. Lincoln was shot in the head while watching a play at Ford's Theatre in Washington, D.C. on April 14, 1865. He died the following morning on April 15, 1865. James A. Garfield, 1881. Assassin Charles J. Guiteau, who was disgruntled over being passed over for a government position. Garfield was shot twice at a train station in Washington, D.C. on July 2, 1881. He died from complications of his wounds on September 19, 1881. William McKinley in 1901 faced a tragic end. His assassin was Czolgosz, an anarchist. McKinley was shot twice at close range while attending the Pan-American Exposition in Buffalo, New York on September 6, 1901. Sadly, he died from gangrene caused by his wounds on September 14, 1901. John F. Kennedy in 1963 was assassinated by Lee Harvey Oswald, although numerous conspiracy theories surround his involvement. Kennedy was shot in Dallas, Texas, while riding in a motorcade on November 22, 1963. He was pronounced dead shortly thereafter. William Howard Taft, in an attempted assassination in 1909, was targeted by James Parker. Parker shot at Taft, but missed. This incident occurred while Taft was at Union Station in Washington, D.C. on October 14, 1909. Parker was apprehended and declared insane. These assassinations and attempted assassination mark critical moments in American history, prompting changes in presidential security measures and leaving a lasting impact on the nation's psyche. Each event has been extensively studied and continues to be remembered for its implications on the presidency and American society.